This is a tractor. This is a mower. It is a mower because it has blades that turn around and cut. The main part of the tractor is the engine. It is found under this thing here. This is basically a John Deere. It's called Yanmar. And it costs less than John Deere because it's called a Yanmar and it's chartreuse instead of green. One of the most basic things about tractors is wheels. Check if the tires are up. And gas. You can put gas in from the top. However, it's better to look at the gas tank. And in that case, what you do is release the hinges and open it. And this is the gas tank. You open the top here, pour gas in it, and you can usually tell about the level. In the case of a diesel, which this is, you put diesel gas in it. You do not ever put another kind of gas in it. Only diesel. And it's good to keep it always above half full. This is the air filter. And what you do with it is you take the top off, you take the screws off here. Then you pull this off. And around the edge there's an air filter. You clean it and then put it back. This is a starter. This is a battery. You have to keep it working. And in the case of a diesel, it's good to have a real strong battery because it doesn't work very well in the wintertime. This is a radiator with an extra shield. You have to blow this out and keep it clean or else the air won't flow and the engine will croak. This is the radiator cap. You take a hold of it and open it and keep water in it and close it. You always open it when it's cold. You never open it when it's hot because it'll blow your face off. And this is the overflow for the radiator. This is the oil. And you open that and measure the oil. This is the gearbox. When you start the tractor, you turn the key on, give it gas, and then keep the key on until it starts and turn so it's on, such as that, and the light comes on. This one. When you run it with the key on, you have to turn it this way farther to make it start when you start. Then when you finish, you turn it off. You can tell when it needs to go off because the light's off. If you run it with the key off, it won't charge. This is the Gearshift. And tractors usually have two shifts. You have to put one in high or low, and then you put the other in the other gears. Most tractors will have two shifts like this. When you start it, when you shift the gears, you put the clutch in. It's a good idea to put the brakes on too. Then you turn it one step farther, give it gas, and start it. This is the clutch. It's usually on the left side, and you have to push that in to start it, or else you'll be starting it in gear. This is the transmission oil, and there's the gearbox. There's levers here. This one turns it high or low gear. This one lifts the arms here, which lifts the mower. I mean, this one does that. excuse me. This one lifts the mower arms. And this one either puts the mower in high or low gear. There are also trailer hitches. To check the oil, you pull the thing out, the oil thing, and if it's full, you'll see where the oil is. This is a diesel, it has 2 cylinders, that's why it doesn't sound real smooth. This is the oil filter, the alternator, the starter, this is the cap, this is the exhaust, and this was put down below because it's easier than blowing in your face. This is the fan, and it needs a fan belt, which is here. This is the fuel filter. This is the brake. And another very handy attachment is this thing that some tractors have. It's a differential lock. And if you get stuck, you just pull it up and it'll unlock the 2 tires, or lock the 2 tires, so that if one's spinning, it'll lock them in so they're both going the same speed, which prevents one from spinning. And this is the mower. This is the power takeoff, and the mower is taking the power off the tractor here. And it runs this. This is the light. This is the inspection committee. It's all about tractors that an idiot knows. When you start out, you should always check the gas. And if it's diesel, put diesel in. If it's regular, put regular in. Check the oil, the air filter. This is a toolbox, which is handy. Other important things are most tractors on the front have weights. This is so the tractor doesn't upset backwards if you're going up a hill. Hitch on the front, if you need it. And when you go up or down a hill, go up straight up or straight down. If you go sideways, the tractor may upset. And in order to help balance it, the wheels have usually saline in them. And there's a valve where you put the air in. And if the air is coming out of the tire, it may be because the valve is bad, because the saline causes the metal to rust. Another important thing is if tall grass gets wrapped around the wheel, you need to unwrap it. And also, things may get wrapped around the blades of the mower, and you have to lift that up, get under, turn off the tractor, and then get that off too. It will ruin things. This is a very generalized tractor and mower. It's not a lawn tractor. They work differently. This is a regular farm type tractor that's in general like any tractor. Here's some more tractors.